Did you know, your stomach is basically self-renewing every few days? Your stomach is filled with super strong acid, so strong it can dissolve metal. But if it's that powerful, why doesn't it digest you? Because your body has a genius trick. Every 3 to 4 days, your stomach replaces its entire lining, like getting a fresh shield to protect itself from its own acid. It's like having a built-in repair system working 24/7 to keep you safe. Your body is smarter than you think. Tag a friend who needs to know this crazy fact.